ABC and ABCP Combi Oven Usage Tips. In this video, we will cover Vulcan ABC and ABCP Combi Oven Usage Tips. This will help ensure you know how to get the most out of your unit. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. Combi cooking uses a combination of hot air and humidity and will improve results and reduce overall cooking times. Operator instructions are as easy as 1, 2, 3 for Vulcan ABC combis. 1. Set the temperature. 2. Set the time. 3. Cook. Moving from traditional cooking to a combi is easy with the ABC. Cook just like before by setting your temperature and time. Just remember to reduce cook times 25 to 30%. In general, most combi oven cook times are faster because of the automatic humidity. Some items may cook much faster, but remember you can always add time. You cannot take it away. Because of humidity control, the combi oven can also be utilized as a standalone steamer. Set the temperature between 205 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit for general steaming, and adjust temperature based on desired steaming saturation levels. Higher temperatures equal lower steam saturation, while lower temperatures equal higher saturation of steam. Between 205 and 212 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity settings will automatically achieve 100% at these temperatures and allow for all types of steam cooking. By manually setting the combi humidity to 0%, the combi functions as a convection oven with no humidity being added to the cavity of the unit. As a reminder, always use filtered water from the provided combi spray hose when adding water to rice, pasta, grits, or any food that needs water for the cooking cycle. Do not use unfiltered tap water from the sink when cooking or cleaning the combi, as this can lead to contaminants and possibly void your combi warranty. Important: water is a customer-supplied utility. A suitable water treatment system and regular filter replacements, coupled with routine cleaning and deliming, is essential to extend the life of your unit. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan Combi Oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.